Alright, this is how it looks like. Okay, first, we need a function to get the locomotion state. Bind the function in locomotion on update. Next, we will need the character reference, as per usual. Then, get the character head bone rotation when idle. We use the IdleHeadRotation as an offset in the main function. From here, we can set the max up and down or left and right rotation for the bones. Oh, I almost forgot, check video description for easy copy. Now we got the head rotation, we can use it to transform bones in AnimGraph. For simplicity's sake, we just need to transform 2 bones, head and spine 3. To make it more fancier, you can transform neck or other spine's bone. Just adjust the alpha. And that's about it. Thanks.